Hey, I'm Alan Jagan. I'm here to do my first experiment in web technology. Um, I'm going to create a web page. This is my web page. It looks like there's a heading. There's a subheading which is got a much smaller font. There's a paragraph. There are external links, internal links, email links, and phone. There's a clickable image. I have a subheading 2, and again I got a paragraph. Then there are I got to do list, and subheading 3 I got a paragraph, and I got a row and column. So let me show how to do this. This is my HTML tag. There's 2 parts to it, a head tag and a body tag. There's a head tag titled experiment 1, that's going to be shown on the top. The body part can be divided or can be given as one division. This is my heading 1, H1. I got a H2 subheading, which is much smaller in font. P tag gives my paragraph in a paragraph form. I got an external link, as you can see here. This is my heading 1, subheading 1. This is my p tag paragraph. There's an external link. There's an internal link, and when I click on this, I'm taken to another page. There's an email link which shows send your feedback, and this is my phone, and this is my clickable image, and this format goes like this: href A1, that's your image dot the type JPG, image source again A1 dot JPG, alt the name of your image, and when you click on the clickable image, it shows you the image. And back to the code. Now I have my subheading 2, so that's with subheading 1. I've come to my subheading 2, that's like H2 tag. Then I got a paragraph which I've put it in p tag. Pre tag actually puts your paragraph or whatever in the format you actually type. So that's the difference between p tag and pre tag. Then you have your list, that's li tag. Let me show you this. UL tag is like unordered list, and OL tag is ordered list. The difference is UL tag, that is unordered list, gives you bulletin points and all these special characters. OL tag gives you your list in 1, 2, 3, 4 format, or even if you want ABCD format, you can give this, that is OL type A, and then you get ABCD, that as you can see here. When you want it in unordered list, that is UL tag, you get it in bulletin points here, or maybe these small squares. Or when you want it in numbers, that's like ordered list, you get 1, 2, and in alphabets, that is type A, you get A, B, and so on. Now I've come to, that's with subheading 2, and I've come to subheading 3. Again, in subheading 3 over here on my coding part, my HTML part, I've got p tag, which gives me my paragraph, and then I have this table, that's for rows and columns, that is tr tag. This is row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, row 1 column 3, and my row span, that's I'll show you what row span is. Row span is 4 here. So basically, as you can see here, row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, row 1 column 3, and when I put row span is equals to 4, my row 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes just a box, one box, and it goes again the same, row 2 column 1 for the next one here, and row 3 column 1 again, and row 4 column 1. And now for this I've got column span, that's like column span 2. So I got row 2, 3, and 4, and column 2 and 3 here, and so on and so forth. And I've come to the end of this, that's the end of the table tag, and the end of the division based on the divisions you've given, and that's the end of my body. I close it, and I close my HTML as well. Thank you.